Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off TalkBack on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on TalkBack. In TalkBack, tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. So here, if I tap on it, it will allow me to turn it on. On this screen here, tap on the allow button, and now TalkBack is switch on. Now to switch it off, the easiest way is to use Bixby voice. So you can press and hold on the side button. So this needs to have Bixby turned on already. So press and hold. And then you can ask Bixby to turn off TalkBack. So here you tap on the microphone button. So double tap. Turn off TalkBack.
TalkBack off.
So now TalkBack has been...
Okay, TalkBack is off.
Alright, so that's how you can turn off TalkBack. Now you can also turn off TalkBack by navigating to the settings menu. To do that, you need to swipe down the menu with two fingers like this. Then you tap on the settings icon once. Then you double tap to select. So here I double tap. Then you tap on accessibility. If you might need to swipe up and down with two fingers like this. And then tap on the accessibility once to select. Then double tap to go into the menu. Tap on it once, then double tap to go into the menu. Tap on the toggle button once, then double tap to switch it off. Then tap on turn off, double tap to select. And that's how you can turn it off. It is a little bit more difficult to turn it off than turning it on. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.